Naya. You know what I'm saying? How many syllables in your name? Let's count the syllables. Say your David. Yeah. David. How many? 2. Yeah. All right. Let's just go all. Let's sing it one more time so she can hear it. Okay. How many syllables in your name? Let's count the syllables. Say your name. Darius. How many? 3. 3. Right. Okay. Here we go. Let's see. Next one. Camera. 2. No, camera.
You forgot David.
No, we did, baby. We did. 3. Right. Okay, now it's you. Ready? Say your name.
David.
Yeah.
Jaden.
How many?
2.
2.
All right, good job.
Okay. It's your turn, sweetie. Say your name.
Brooklyn.
That's right.
Brooklyn.
Brooklyn. How many?
2.
2. Yeah. Okay, your turn.
Naya.
Naya.
2. Good.
Right.
Simone.
2.
Miss Carol.
Right. Miss Carol. How many?
Carol.
3.
3,
Right.
yeah.
What's your daddy? What's your daddy's name?
Bryant.
Brian.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, here we go.
Bryant.
2.
2.
Right.
Mhm.
Who's next?
Jessica. Oh, so the parents.
Yeah. Jessica.
Jessica.
3.
3.
Jessica.
Naya's mom.
Naya's mommy.
Oh,
Yeah. And who's next to Jessica? Huh? Mimi?
Lynn. She calls me Mimi.
Oh, I love it. Mimi. I love it. Okay, here we go.
Mimi.
Lynn.
Mimi Lynn.
Yeah, Mimi, I love it. Yeah. Okay. And who's this over here? Jackie. Jackie. Is that your mommy?
Yeah.
That is great. That's great. Sweet Naya, would you come sit over here, sweetheart? Because you're so close to the painting. Why don't you come sit right here? Okay. And we're going to, oh, you want to sit there? Okay. Okay. So let's sing, that's probably better. Let's sing our song. Remember this song? Triangle, triangle, triangle. You have 3 points, right? All right. To make a design, I will need your line. There's a line, right? Yeah. Inside the quilt, diamonds are built.